the Black Hiking Queen here. Today I'm doing another hike and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Today I'm hiking at the Spring Creek Nature Area here in Richardson, Texas, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So there is the creek down there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's the creek. And it doesn't look like there's much water in there, and it's probably because summer just ended and now we're going into fall. But yeah, it's a really beautiful afternoon. Sun is about to set soon back there. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with any new videos that I post, and I will see y'all on the next hike. Happy hiking!